Hi, welcome to the demo of Loyalty Widget QR Code mobile platform for hospital. Loyalty Widget Suite helps capture patient experience from various patient touchpoints and provides real-time feedback and meaningful actionable recommendations. The service solutions available to hospital today are mostly paper-based and are not efficient. They are logistical nightmare, difficult to execute, painful to change, and are prone to human error, costing hospitals time, money, and lower efficiency. Loyalty Widget comes with a sparkling fresh approach for building QR code tagged mobile friendly surveys. The survey can be launched by a simple scan of QR code from any smartphone. This provides hospital an opportunity to deploy extremely targeted survey at strategic location. Surveys will be just a QR code scan away. You just need to point, scan, and fill the survey. Hospital could choose from a suite of patient experience survey that target specific patient need. For example, survey for ER, reception, gym, lobby, outpatient ward, and more. Survey results are shown on the state-of-the-art dashboard or can be exported in any digital shape or form, helping hospitals save time, save money, and improve efficiency. Now let us get to the demo. Before that, a quick disclaimer. Hospital name that we have used in the demo is a real one. It has been used to make as realistic a demo as possible. As of posting this video, we do not have any affiliation with the mentioned hospital. As patient sees a QR code, they could use QR code scanning app to scan it. It will take them to Loyalty Widget landing page site. This site could be hospital landing page where such tactical surveys are kept. If hospitals don't have any such mobile friendly survey site, use Loyalty Widget landing page. So this is Loyalty Widget QR code mobile landing page. It has surveys and links that are location specific. Surveys could be hosted on Loyalty Widget as in the case here. Similarly, survey could be hosted on an outside link like in this case. Loyalty Widget QR code landing page is a responsive design. That is, it renders beautifully on mobile tablet PCs to help response rate. It is specifically designed to include most of hospital use cases. Setup is extremely quick, requires no technical know-how, and easy to configure. Within minutes, hospital could have a self-learning mobile landing page that increases patient engagement and experience. This concludes the presentation. To watch the demo, scan the QR code or use the link provided below. Check out our blog to learn more. Thank you.